Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the origin of the universe and the evolution of our planet, our home, the earth. The sun, the moon and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. In the night sky, you may notice various patterns formed by different groups of stars. These are called constellations, like Ursa Major or Big Bear and Saptarishi Mandal. Origin of the universe. The modern and most popular theory about the origin of the universe is the Big Bang theory. It is also called the expanding universe hypothesis. In the year 1920, astronomer Edwin Hubble provided evidence that the universe is expanding. According to the Big Bang theory, in the beginning all matter forming the universe existed in one place in the form of a tiny ball or singular atom with an unimaginably small volume, infinite temperature and infinite density. At the Big Bang, the tiny ball exploded violently. This led to a huge expansion. This Big Bang took place 13.7 billion years before the present. The expansion continues even to the present day. As it grew, some energy was converted into matter. There was particularly rapid expansion within fractions of seconds after the bang. Thereafter, the expansion has slowed down. Within first 3 minutes from the Big Bang event, the first atom began to form. Within 3 lakh years from the Big Bang, the temperature dropped to 4500 Kelvin and gave rise to atomic matter. The universe became transparent. The stars. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light, which they emit in large amounts. These celestial bodies are called stars. The sun is a star. The star formation. The distribution of matter and energy was not even in the early universe. The initial density differences gave rise to differences in gravitational forces, and it caused the matter to get drawn together. These formed the basis for development of galaxies. A galaxy contains a large number of stars. Galaxies spread over vast distances that are measured in thousands of light years. The diameters of individual galaxies range from 80,000 to 1,50,000 light years. A galaxy starts to form by accumulation of hydrogen gas in the form of a very large cloud called nebula. Eventually, growing nebula develops localized clumps of gas and dust. These clumps continue to grow into even denser gaseous bodies, giving rise to formation of stars. The formation of stars is believed to have taken place some 5 to 6 billion years ago. A light year is a measure of distance and not of time. The distances the light will travel in 1 year is taken to be 1 light year. Light travels at a speed of 3 lakh kilometers per second. In a year, light will travel. As we know, in a year, there are 365 days and 6 hours, which means there are 8,766 hours in a year. And we can say that 3 crore 15 lakh 57,600 seconds are there. And if light travels 3 lakh kilometers in a second, then the light will travel in a year around 9.461 into 10 to the power 12 kilometers, or 9.461 into 10 to the power 15 meters. Now let's find out how much time does a light beam takes to reach to the surface of the earth. The mean distance between the sun and the earth is 14 crore 95 lakh 98,000 kilometers, and we know the light travels at speed of 3 lakh kilometers per second. So if we divide 14 lakh 98,000 kilometers by 3 lakh kilometers per second, we'll get 498.66 seconds or 8.311 minutes. The sun. The sun is in the center of the solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. The sun is the ultimate source of light and heat for the solar system. Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of the stars. Such bodies are called planets. The word planet comes from the Greek word planetae, which means wanderers. Now we will learn about the formation of planets. As we know, the stars are localized clumps of gas within a nebula. The gravitational force within the clumps leads to the formation of a core to the gas cloud, and a huge rotating disk of gas and dust develops around the gas core. In the next stage, the gas cloud starts getting condensed, and the matter around the core develops into small rounded objects. These small rounded objects, by the process of cohesion, develop into what is called planetesimal. Larger bodies start forming by collision, and gravitational attraction causes the material to stick together. Planetesimals are a large number of smaller bodies. In the final stage, these large number of small planetesimals accrete to form a few large bodies in the form of planets.